I'm at Canary Wharf Station on the Jubilee line. A fascinating station. But this is the main entrance by 1 Canada Square. But did you know that if you go around the back of the station to Jubilee Park, there's another way in? Here is the other entrance to Canary Wharf. There's also a third way in on the other side of the road, and 2 more entrances if you count the ones that go to the shopping centre. Canary Wharf has the joint most amount of escalators for any tube stations, the other 2 being Waterloo and King's Cross. They all have 20 escalators past ticket barrier level. So you can see behind me there's a big random white thing. But this isn't actually a big random white thing. It's the Canary Wharf Screen, which does occasionally play old-fashioned things in grey and black. You can see old-fashioned scenes, and it is quite cool. It was an Art on the Underground project. Now, let's just go down to the platforms. So Canary Wharf have the largest platform level roundels that you can find on the whole of the tube network, and that is quite cool. Anyway, that's the end of my journey. I'm taking the train home.